What if I told you I made $19,500 in 1 month without showing my face and while literally sleeping? I've always been fascinated by the idea of making a significant income online. I've always been fascinated without showing or revealing my identity because I'm such an introvert, believe it or not. And I prefer to work behind the scenes. I also relish the idea of making money while I slept. I think it's one of the coolest thing. Let me know what you think by putting your comments in the comment section. I would really like to know what do you think about this. For years, I have literally experimented with various methods, testing the waters, refining my approach, and doing whatever it took to make money online, but nothing worked until I finally found YouTube. Join me as I take on the challenge of showing you how I made $19,500 in just 30 days without ever showing my face on YouTube. I am so excited to share my experience with you of how I achieved such an impressive amount of money. Later on in the video, I will spill the beans. So please watch the video until the end. I challenge you. Trust me, the real gem is coming up soon. And you'll want to be ready to apply it immediately. All the things that I'm going to share. One of the biggest hurdles, though, that people face when they're trying to earn money online, anonymously, of course, is building trust with their audience, especially on YouTube. Without a face or a personal brand, it can be tough to establish credibility. Another challenge is finding the right platforms and tools, of course, that allow for anonymous income. And many popular platforms, they require identity verification, making it difficult to stay anonymous. Additionally, there's the issue of marketing and promoting even your products or whether it's your services without being able to put a face to it, a face to that brand. And lastly, people fear being scammed or losing their money due to the anonymous nature of online transactions. Okay, so I know you are anxious to know how to make this money. But before I show you, though, those exact steps, let's talk about what most people get wrong because this is important and why they never even get close to results like this. One of my, sorry, on my Faceless YouTube channel, True Travel Treasures, I focused on creating a sense of community. That's where I made the money, so that's why I'm talking about this channel. In more ways than one, I delivered valuable and engaging content, both evergreen and current travel news, as well as tips and hacks that resonated with my audience that they wanted to know about. I also just I also use my community tab to ask questions, to create quizzes and polls and post videos and pictures. I do respond religiously to most of the comments that my viewers make. This lets them know that I'm a real person. I use a combination of YouTube, affiliate marketing, and digital travel bundle creation to generate revenue. That's apart from the 19,500. I leverage YouTube's platform to sell my digital products as well, which allowed me to keep my identity hidden. I also utilize a set of tools for video editing, thumbnail creation, and SEO optimization to maximize my reach, my audience reach. In addition, my content strategy revolves around providing actionable tips and insights which helped establish my authority in the niche. Now, here's where it gets juicy. The turning point that changed everything, and I know you want to know this, that key moment that led to my significant income was when I did some extensive research using a tool I swear by to this day. It's called vidIQ. If you haven't used it yet, or if you don't know about it, I will leave a link in the description. It's amazing. And with that tool, I stumbled upon a relatively untapped topic with high demand, high search demand, and low competition. I created a comprehensive video around this topic. It addressed a specific pain point and it quickly gained traction on these YouTube streets. What made this approach unique was that I was able to capitalize on a trending topic and provide a solution that's important that was both valuable and scarce. And so the video blew up to over 2.4 million views. That amount of views equated to $19,500 in the month of February 2025. I knew I had a winner then, and so I piggybacked on the topic and I created more similar videos like that one. I didn't get the virality that I wanted, of course, but it came close. I also optimized how I presented the video by adding more value and more resources in the description of the video, and I explained each resource to my audience within the video. This added more authority and trust with my audience. And even though I didn't make another 19,500, I made enough. I'm comfortable. It enabled me also to gain 5,000 subscribers from that video. All right, now that you've seen what worked for me, let's talk about how you can use the same tools that I use and the same mindset to hit your goals, your own YouTube goals for your channel. If you're looking to replicate my success, it's essential to focus on creating valuable content. I can't say this enough. You have to build a loyal community and people have to trust you, and you have to leverage using the right tools and the right platform, which is YouTube, of course. By staying focused and adapting to changes in the market, you can achieve similar results like myself. My journey to 19,500 in 30 days was a challenging but rewarding experience, and I'm excited to share more insights with you. If you've got any thoughts on earning an income online anonymously, I'd love to hear them. So drop a comment below and let's get let's get the conversation started. Also, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and strategies on making money online using the YouTube platform and how to create a Faceless channel. But let me caution you though and remind you that this $19,500 that I made in just 1 month, it's not something that you're going to see every time. But as time goes on, I'm still maintaining a good income consistently. I hope to go viral again soon, but my real focus, to be honest with you, is to create great content. And that should be your end goal as well. Everything else will follow suit as long as you remain consistent and create valuable content. I will leave the link of my viral video that made me over $19,500 in the description so you can go watch it. It's on my other channel, but I'll leave the link in this description. Oh, and by the way, if you truly enjoy this video and you want to show me some love, you can always drop a super chat. It really helps to support the channel so that I can create more videos like this. And I truly appreciate you for doing so. You will find the super chat, right? The super chat, super thanks, sorry, button below the video. Super thanks, not super chat. And it will highlight your comments so you can feel extra special. And that's how I want you to feel. Thanks in advance for doing so. And because I want to see you win as well as myself, I've created some free tools that can fast track your journey. I also have a special gift for you before you go. It will help you to start your YouTube channel. It's my video planning guide and my viral video cheat sheet, and both of them are free. These will help you to get off to a good start. You you can download both of them from the link in the description. If you want to take your YouTube channel or your YouTube journey to the next level up, then grab my paid ebook that will teach you how to automate your channel and make money online. It will give you a step-by-step process. The link will also be in the description. Okay, guys, that is it for now. I hope you got some value from this video, and I hope you understand my mindset and how I was able to make $19,500. I would hope that you would like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, I am your channel host Cheryl saying bye for now, but only for now. See you soon.